mop, pois mata. With my dogs, mijn hond, die jager. Para in a Porsche, pas op voor de gaten.
Hey yo, welcome back to another stream with Mash Boy. Out here on Easy Pay to the nice 16
You should see the odd drop, see how top. Of them backslash, need a drop top slata. Plain hopscotch in a strata. House shot like out data. What you want, donna what you prata. Sauta like the Gaza, my brand, donna you can sata. My grandmama in Luanda, send me Gaza to a Gaza. Find nothing for my holla. Turn the rata into Kwanzaa. People die for the guala, others make you sing like a bala. Utohola palafala, bafana baba nazaka. See my young, get the quarter lick, bandita for a brick. Mama see the boy some tits, and she the corner blow the bitch. Mother thought it was a pitch. Name my dog Nike and I never saw a tick. None like me in whatever sport it is. Tryna sign me, give me effort for a hit. Maverick seizure doing edits on the pig. Going stupid cause they told me dumb it down. Be the hottest when the summer come around. I need commas in my bank account. Counting numbers in a fat amount. My dog, if you get bitten, it isn't my fault. It's a decision of God. Don't get your feelings involved. With my dogs, mijn hond, die jager. Para in a Porsche, pas op voor de gaten. You don't wanna go to court, fuck up, alle dagen. They shot the homie in a kop, need a mop, pois mata. With my dogs, mijn hond, die jager. Para in a Porsche, pas op voor de gaten. You don't wanna go to court, fuck up, alle dagen. They shot the homie in a kop, need a mop.
Get out so I can plan. Step 1, can I pass? Hanga tola ya legag. Step 2, get out naja. You don't wanna go to war. In sport, you lasada. In Pitori with the pounds, tan si llama ya. Sosh plata. Niggas hard cause babata. Na que morri de yon pachucata. Gold teeth on data. My Mr. Louis V, Nevada. For the crooks, Alibaba. I do not buy my jewels on Alibaba. The Prasado shots go club. Oh hell. Shandan over domain. I be cooking niggas so okay. So lost, I want more game. So lost, I don't want pain. I just want change. More drip, drop in the drains. Young trap, God ordained. No guts, no glory, so game. Fed Mars, ball mains. With the bulls running all late. Baby, cuz I got a broad day. Nigga, this the Coliseum, y'all won't got a deal. We hot, propane. With my dog by the domain. With my dog in the buyer, Dalmatian.
Mijn hond, die jager. Para in a Porsche. Pas op voor de gata. You don't wanna go to court. Fuck up, alle dagen. They shot the homie in a kop. Need a mop, pois mata. With my dogs, mijn hond, die jager. Para in a Porsche. Pas op voor de gata. You don't wanna go to court. Fuck up, alle dagen. They shot the homie in a kop. Need a mop, pois mata.
Ooh, WWW. Wait a minute, how do I stop the turbo spin? I don't know how to stop the turbo spin, guys. But let's max win this bitch right the fuck now, bro. Max win, bro. Oh my days, bro. Damn. Okay, we're up for the next round. Come on, bro. Win, max win. Oh my God. Come on, bro. I need a withdraw. Big win, bro. Oh my days, bro.
Impure from blood and young niggas from the block came up in the projects with my scammers and some robbers. Can't forget my vatos. The bodega was the casa. Trigger hit the celly like que pasa. Slum dogs from Azania, yelling out Viva la Raza. Smoking younger pack, ya raza. Young Mooley with mulattoes. Just to move from the sewers, I maneuvered with the ghouls and the goblins. We just wanna eat the lobster. Fettuccine with the pasta. Young dope boy dreamt of being a Guido. Now he moving like a mobster. This is Basquiat, Picasso. This is Phantom of the Opera. Conversations with the porpoise became compositions. I need me an Oscar. In the ghetto, I'm a savior. I'm walking on water and spitting the gospel. In the ghetto, ducking Judas and the devil. That's why
I want 8. Shit just landed on fucking 8.
$25 Red Legion. Moaning, which is odd and high number from the third dozen. And again, red high for the third dozen last 4 games, 640 winners. Spreading up to 750.
I don't know, I'm going on 6. Sure, we're on 8. I don't want dog. $200X on 11. Yeah.
Super. So,
I landed on a fucking 8, bro. Like, I was too fucking late,
back
bro.
to the pineapple. Anybody else love it, or maybe you've got some other weird tastes which not very many people like? The Batico is. I'm going to tell you another thing which I love. I love dark chocolate and the goat cheese together. 8 and 30, 100X and 30.
10.
Here is Stan Black, which is an even and low number from the first dozen. And the chair section, 640 winners. Spread against to Superstar, the champ has come, larger, small, and DE to the big swings. Not that much as like the goat cheese, but with the president cheese, if you know what I mean. With the white one with like the special mold in it. I mean, I'm such a cheesy fan. I love different kind of cheese. The Vatican.
Just give me a 6 one time, lady.
Do you also love cheese? What are your favorite kinds of cheese?
300X.
Would you like to try it out together with dark chocolate?
6,
5
okay.
and 6. What 100X and 6?
100X on 6. That'll be nice, bro. 0.
And here is the ball on 26 black, which is 0 section number, that is even and high from the third dozen. 706 winners, batting up to week 30. The town has come. Niku, Ostap, and Gigi, the big twins are yours. Have the shoe and ask to see there again.
I should bet on fucking 8, bro.
What is it you're betting on?
I don't know, guys.
What kind of numbers are you expecting to get?
8 is on
Sam was
fire.
expecting a Santa. By the way, we had a Santa there recently,
8 is on fire. 8 is on fire.
We had 1 multiple last 10 games. Definitely need more. And these are the 2.
I flipping need an 8, bro. I don't know why, but I don't know, bro. A 2.
That's the 2. Another lightning 50X. Not that broad. It's 200X, but still enjoy. 330 people own it.
Guys, should go to crazy time after this bet.
Jump has come. Eric, Robin 19, 759 to back. Kilcasty, enjoy being top 5 winners list.
Dog, crazy time ruins us the balance, dog.
Record his numbers just in case. There's a 20, 31, 2. The one who's just had 14 and 1. Remember what I said sometimes? Lightning can hit also the coldest numbers. Can be tricky. But anyways, let's see how close you are. Hopefully you have your straight bats and 8 this time just in case. If we get 100X and 19.
Give me a 6 one time, bro. It's right there, bro. 1.
Ball dropped in 20, which is from offline section, even and high number from the cold list.
Okay, this is where it gets tricky because it ate us.
So lucky lately.
Like
Super
we rinsed 10 rand
12,
already, guys.
Sophie, small, enjoy. So let's get back to the green.
10 rand
We've got all
already.
the
We're
numbers
back to
opened,
break even.
so I can ready to be, calm that we'll definitely have lots of winners. If we've got all the numbers open, that means we've got at least 1 straight up on every single number there, which is very important in this game to have straight ups in order to be eligible for the Lightning payouts. So pick if you have 4, 11, 3 now,
11.
straight up there, 200X and
Tata
Here's the
Land,
14, which is even and low number from the offline section and second dozen. 792 if you got lucky. Do you back on yourself again?
Move it on. You deserve better.
Fuck, I should bet on fucking 8. Leave this fucking 6 alone, bro.
Lots of people who play only colours, who play only summons, but don't forget, guys, if you want to be eligible for lighting, it's only straight up bats count. Not splits, not corners, of course if you need them to, but they'll be 2, 6 and 8, 200.
All my favorite numbers, dog. Just land on the 6. Yes! Yes! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my fucking god! That's how we do it in this bitch, bro! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Back to back, sir! Yes, sir! Oh my god! That's how we do it in this bitch, sir! That's how we do it in this bitch, sir! Yes, sir! Oh my god! That was fire, bro! That was fire, bro! Oh my god!
I mean, we started with a 21.
Oh my god!
Well, we got the first
Thank you so much, bro!
Anyways, 12,
Thank
15,
you
20.
so much! I recorded that, bro! Thank you so much, bro! Oh my days!
That's our last 5 days.
Oh my days!
Special games to week 30 last.
That's how we do it on the west side. The west side, we got 100x and fucking. Yo, my god, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, we're rinsing the balance up until 180. 180, 180, 180. Oh my days, bro.
2, 5, 22, 35, 100.
Oh my days, bro.
Here's the new result. 35 black. Brilliant. Another multiplier.
Oh my days, bro.
212.
That was such a W, bro. Such a fucking W.
800 winners in total. Week
Fuck
30
yeah, guys.
reached
Fuck yeah.
Afi, Paro, Romeo, and Joy. Hi, the Sharks. They also come from South Africa. Nice to know that. I'm doing great, actually. That's been a nice morning. So
nah, I'm cashing out 200, dude.
what did you have for the breakfast? So he was going to be 0, 7,
Bro,
20 there.
that was
120.
oh my days, bro. Oh my days. 6 never disappoint. I recorded that shit, bro. That was fucking heat.
Here's a 15 black, which is an odd and low number from the second.
Bro.
Black color for the 8
That was the heat. With your boy Mash. With your boy Mash. Thank you everybody for that. Damn, bro. We fucking killed that shit, bro.
Ramesha from Tom.
We hit that shit,
Where is that, man?
bro, in the fucking
country is this?
ass, bro.
Okay, thanks for sharing. Anyways,
I fucking love lightning roulette, bro.
Vegetarians don't have
Oh my fucking days.
Sorry. Okay.
I'm even fucking streaming on my fucking phone, bro. Golly, dawg. Thank you very much, bro. That 100x. That meant a lot. That meant a lot, bro. Oh my god.
Second dozen, that's the hottest number.
Oh my god. That meant so much, bro. Thank you fucking much.
And Sam and the biggest wins.
Okay,
So,
we're betting on 8. There's 2 bets left.
Right?
After that, I'm cashing out that 100x.
In a day.
I'm cashing it out, bro. Fuck
Are you
it.
feeling alive? I mean, you're probably at work during the
I'm
day.
cashing
so
it out,
don't
bro.
you get hungry? It's a little bit weird though, not very healthy, mate.
I'm cashing that shit the fuck out, dog. Golly, bro. That was fire. That was fire. That was fire. With your boy Mash. Welcome to that stream, dog. It's about that time.
There was going
It's
to
about
be
that time.
one,
It's about that time.
number 1.
I'm that guy.
Okay, guys. I'm
I'm
pretty sure
that
we have
guy.
bats in these numbers.
I'm that
This
guy.
is offline section number
I'm
odd.
that guy.
670 winners, but against
Bro,
the
this
honors
replay is about to
and
be
32
crazy.
GF and 50 and the biggest wins.
This
So you
replay is
had a
about to
toast,
be
you had a
crazy.
chance. With
Okay,
what?
I'm
With the
like, this is my last
avocado
bet,
today?
and I'm out.
tomatoes. I really like to have, if I've got like,
This is my last bet, and then we watch the next bet, and then we out.
nothing in my fridge. The best goes like no cheese and no sausage.
Like after this bet, we just watch the next bet. If it loses, it means we save that 2 rand, you know, for charges, everything.
Very well. 156 and 26.
Oh my days, bro! It landed on 8.
From the first dozen in check section. 750 winners, value of 414.
Oh my days, bro! What the fuck is going on, guys? What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is going on? Oh my fucking days, bro! Oh my days! I was literally like, this is my last bet. We're gonna watch the next bet, and it fucking lands on 8, dog. Oh my fucking days, bro! Oh my fucking days, bro!
27,
shit!
which is an odd and high number.
Oh fuck me, bro! Golly, bro, we betting one number, dog. One number. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Right now, 1,000.
Dog, that's fire. That's fire. That's fire.
There'll be even more by the end of the betting.
Dog,
And about
this is a
watches.
fire ass stream. We cashing out 250.
And now,
We cashing out 250, guys. We cashing out 250. Oh my fucking god!
16, 200.
Oh my days, bro. 0. I wanted to bet on 0.
Zero, green, ladies and gentlemen. This is a 0.
Fuck.
And could be one of your favorite numbers. 650 winners.
Fuck.
Now Super So.
Oh my days, bro.
20, 24 the biggest
Oh
wins.
my days. We cashing out
So
252.
Mr. Simon says that he is once in a
Just
day
because.
and he dropped 55 kilograms in 4 months.
Oh my god, dog.
Nice.
That was
Are you
fucking
feeling the
heat.
case? That's it goes. You know,
Dude, I
it's a
fucking
good
love
thing
you,
to
bro.
stay
Let me
healthy,
tell
to
her
stay
I
fit,
love you.
but they say it's healthy to lose like 1 or 2 kilograms in a month. Only if you do
I
like
love
sport.
you.
0, 16, 18, 100x.
I love you. I actually love this hand, dog. I wanted to bet on 14 as well, but it's fine.
Number from the first, no, second of it.
She didn't read my chat. I said I love you.
760 winners.
Hey,
Back against
dog.
OPM, Sam,
Bro.
Dia, Belton, Alan. So, well, can we start going there in the chat for us? So many kilograms.
Oh my god, bro. That was fire.
Mate, please think about your health. You need to eat more.
Okay, after this bet, we're gonna place our last bet and we out.
12:23 PPH in both.
After this bet, we're gonna place our last bet and we are out, dog.
Here's a 34 red, ladies and gentlemen, which is an even and high number from the third.
Okay, so this is our last bet and we are out.
Winners bet against Barrow,
Thank you very
LJ, Ireland, Zizi, and GT. But it's definitely not a good thing to lose so much weight in like no time in 4 months.
Thank you very
25
much,
kilograms, mate. It's
lady.
just-
May God bless you, bro.
So it can cause many health
This
problems.
is my last
so
bet, guys. Welcome.
What about just
That was a
starting
fire
to eat the
ass
porridge
stream, bro.
in the,
Fire
for
ass stream.
breakfast, eating soup.
Fire ass
during
stream,
the day.
dog. That doesn't usually happen, guys. So don't look at this as like, oh wait, that you can always gamble and make money. Nah, that doesn't happen all the time. Usually you lose your money, bro.
35 black,
Usually
which is an
lose your
odd
money,
and
so-
high number from the third, is it?
Yeah, bro.
820
It's
winners,
risky in
but
this
it was a
game,
high
bro.
Navy
So when I
number
watch this
and
bet,
the biggest wins.
if
So
it lands
you're
on
jealous now
2,
of what, Kremlin?
yeah,
So now
it is what it
you're
is.
number 1. Thank
But
you.
if it doesn't land on 2, it means we covered up the charges.
I don't usually make friends with the players. Black.
I wanna run it up to
Let's see
okay.
If we can get black, so you'll get more money.
Like, I really want to run it up to okay, but
Breakfast.
like, this is not supposed to happen, guys.
Okay.
It's not supposed to. You're not supposed to make money on roulette.
And we have a quick result with a 24
Okay, 25.
black, which is
Okay,
even
guys, we're
and
cashing
high
out.
number at the
I'm
end
gonna
of the
cash out
second
on
dozen.
stream. I'm cashing out. We are definitely cashing out this 252. Request that withdrawal. Thank you. Guys, what a WS stream. Really love this shit. This doesn't usually happen, but yeah, today it happened. So yeah, with 16 rand, withdrawal of 252. With your boy Mesh. See you next time. Awe.